Hey guys, hope you're all well. There seems to be a little bit of confusion regarding some of the PE activities that we're going to do. So I'm just going to explain today's activities and the correct way in which you are supposed to do them. Alright? So this is the workout that is for today. So you have to do 40 sprints, which are 10 meters apart. So you need to measure out a distance of 10 meters and then do 40 sprints. You have to do 30 sit-ups in 1 minute, 10 push-ups in 1 minute, 10 burpees in 1 minute, and then 20 lunges, 10 on each leg in 1 minute. Okay, so when we do the 40 sprints, you're going to measure out a 10-meter distance. Okay, you can mark it with beacons if you have beacons. If you don't have beacons, you can use anything. Use your shoes or any accessories you can find laying in the garden, whatever's needed. Okay, so when you sprint, it means as fast as you can. So you need to do 40 of them. Okay, so if you do one and you can still continue, then you carry on until you've done 40. If after 5 sprints you're a little bit tired, no problem. Sit down, have a quick rest, but don't now go and sit down for 10 minutes and then only come back. Just rest for a minute or so and then continue with the rest of your sprints until you've completed 40. Then after that, you're going to do 30 sit-ups. Okay, so you need to complete these 30 sit-ups in a time space of 1 minute. So you need to time yourself. Alright, so the correct way to do this is you start on your back, like they are in the pictures. There's pictures of the lady and of the gentleman, but they're both doing exactly the same. So you're starting on your back, arms crossed over your chest, so your fingertips touching your shoulders, and then you come up and your elbows need to touch your knees, and then you go back down again. Right, your feet need to stay flat on the ground. Okay, if your elbows do not touch your knees, it does not count as a rep. Okay, if you need assistance, you can just have a look at the bottom picture. There is a gentleman holding the lady's feet. You are welcome to get somebody in your household to hold your feet like that if it's going to be easier for you to complete your sit-up repetitions. Remember, your feet must stay on the floor. Okay, so then the next one, you're going to do 10 push-ups in 1 minute. Okay, ladies, you're welcome to do the one on your knees. And the gents, no knees, you do the proper push-up. Okay, now please remember, when you're doing a push-up, if we can look at the gentleman's position, how his legs are, what his back looks like, his core is tight, wrists are locked, and his shoulders are straight. Alright, so you need to go down to a 90-degree angle and then back up. Same with the ladies, even though you're on your knees, all the way down 90 degrees, keeping your back straight. And then in the circle, guys, do not shoot aeroplanes out of the sky. You've all heard me say this before. Okay, so what that means is your butt does not need to be in the air. Your butt needs to stay parallel to your back. When your back is straight, your bum goes down with your back. Okay, otherwise you're doing it incorrectly and you can hurt yourself. Then our favorite one, the burpees. So you're going to do 10 burpees also in 1 minute. Right, so if we look at the lady in the picture, it's just the sequence of how you're supposed to do it. So you start in a standing position, crouch down. The third one, you kick your legs to the back. The fourth one, you go down flat into a push-up position. The fifth one, you bring your legs back in under your chest. And the sixth one is you jump up. Alright, now because we are nice and we are kind, you do not need to complete number 6 as a jump. Okay, so after you get to number 5 and your feet are under your chest, you can just stand up. No need to jump. Okay, then the last one, is just 20 lunges in 1 minute. Right, now I just want you to take note of the correct way to do it and the incorrect way to do it. So when you are going to do a lunge correctly, you bend your leading knee to 90 degrees, only 90-degree angle. You keep your upper body upright and your pelvis horizontal. Okay, so those 3 things are important. If you do it incorrectly, like on the other side of this picture, where it says your bent knee should not extend beyond your toes. So your knee cannot go past your toes. You do not let your leading knee buckle inwards, so don't turn your knee towards the inside of your body. And you do not bend your upper body forward. So don't lean forwards when you're busy lunging. You keep your back up straight. And do not twist or tilt your pelvis to the side. Okay, guys, if you're going to do these things incorrectly, you are going to injure yourself, and you're going to wake up the next morning with a very sore back, or your legs are going to be exceptionally sore and you're not going to be able to walk. Alright, so please do it in the correct manner. Okay, hands on the hips, back straight, and pelvis horizontal. Okay guys, once you've done all of this, there's just a few cool down stretches that you can follow. Most of you know the stretches on your and can be able to do it on your own anyways. So if you feel you would like to stretch other than these ones that I have given you, it is no problem. You are welcome to do so. Before you start your activities with your sprints, please also do some stretches just to make sure that your body is loose and you're not going to have any injuries when you are performing your activity. Okay, and then guys, please remember your assessments on a Friday. I'll keep giving you updates on videos, what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. So when we get closer to Friday, I'm going to send out a little note on what you should be doing for your assessment and what not. I have received some assessments. You do not have to send it to me. Please just keep them with you. However, I have noticed that there are some people that seem to be cheating. You are only cheating yourself if you are cheating. And we will be testing you when we see you again. Alright guys, but that's it. We'll send some more information as the week goes on. Have a great week.